First, you'll need to power up your HypotULTRA. Connect the power input plug into its socket on the rear panel of the instrument. Connect the male end of the plug to the outlet receptacle. Insert the remote interlock key into the signal input terminal on the rear panel. The instrument will not output voltage without this key. This allows the user to wire the instrument to the doors of a DUT enclosure. This is a safe workstation best practice. Press the power button on the front panel of the HypotULTRA. The instrument will automatically navigate to the main menu. The HypotULTRAs have a versatile user interface that includes a touchscreen and 2 push buttons. There are 3 main touch keys and 2 buttons on the HypotULTRA interface. Use the Perform Test key to navigate to the Perform Test window. Use the back key to return to a previous menu. Use the Home key to return to the main menu. The buttons are designed for operators that are wearing high voltage gloves. Use the toggle button to scroll through the menu parameters. Use the My Menu Select button to either make a menu selection or choose the My Menu option. My Menu allows you to configure your own custom menu. Once you have set up your own screen, you can access it at any time by hitting the Menu button. Touch the Setup Test menu icon, then press Add File to create a new test file. Input the test file name and hit Enter. Press Add Step to create a new test. Press Test Type to change the test. Select DCW to change Step 1 to a DC Hypot test. Press Enter to confirm. To change the test voltage, input the numeric value on the touchscreen and touch the Enter key to confirm. To navigate between test parameters, either input the value and press the Enter key or swipe left and right to change parameters. Eventually, you will get to the internal scanner parameter. The internal scanner is optional hardware on the HypotULTRA. Select the internal scanner. Use the left and right arrows to change the scanner channel. For each channel, select either H, which sets the channel to high voltage, L, which sets the channel to return, or O, which sets the channel to open. For this demonstration, we will set channel 1 to high and channel 2 to low. Once all parameters have been input, press the Perform Test icon. You'll be prompted to save your test file changes. Press Enter to confirm. The Perform Test screen displays the following parameters: file name, file number, test type, status indicator, test time, test voltage, leakage limit or resistance limit indicators, and scanner status if the scanner option is installed. The Load button is for loading test files. The Results button is for viewing test results. You can also press and hold a parameter to move it to a different portion of the screen. This allows you to customize the order of the display parameters on your Perform Test screen. Finally, we're going to show you how to connect the HypotULTRA to a DUT and run the test sequence. You're going to need the following accessories: the red high voltage lead and 2 black clip leads. You can also use the universal style adapter box instead of the clip leads. An instrument with scanner channels also comes with 100 feet of high voltage wire and high voltage terminal connectors. We're going to show 2 separate test setups. The first setup will use the standard channels to run our DC Hypot test, and the second will use a universal style adapter box on a 3-pronged product. First, connect the DUT to the rear port scanner terminals. We've made up 2 separate high voltage connectors from the supplied high voltage wire and high voltage connectors. Since we're testing 2 points, we're going to connect the channels 1 and 2 on the built-in scanner on the DUT and the DUT chassis, respectively. If you're using the universal style adapter box instead of the scanner channels, connect the adapter box to the continuity check and the HV terminals. Then, connect the black lead to the return terminal. Simply connect the return lead to the chassis of the DUT. Then plug the 3-prong cord to the DUT into the adapter box. Close the DUT enclosure door. Stand back and push the test button to run your test sequence. For tests that use scanner channels, you'll notice scanner channel indicators on the screen of the instrument while the test is running. To view your test results, press the Results button. Press the individual step to get result details.